Great. So, we go on with the angel wings. How many wings do you expect? And when an angel in some way or other is a picture of us, we could say this because we try to be a picture of an angel, more or less. Yeah, and we have a threefold structure. Maybe it's also a little bit reflected in our angel. And I invite you to arrive at your angel. That's arriving at yourself. And just have the feeling, I sense myself. And allow you the question of if yourself might be your angel. And then breathe, relax, let go and make a step forward. It sounds a little bit mystic, but it's so normal. If a mother and the child grows up, but if you have lived with somebody for such a long time, in one way or the other you feel one with this person. And our angels have lived with us for tens and tens and tens of years, every day, day and night, so they feel one with us. So we are also allowed to feel one with them. And now you have these pictures of angels with 3 pairs of wings. And just stand upright and turn the hands a little bit towards the back. Feel your shoulder blades. And then slowly let the arms rise. Until they nearly cross above, that you feel a star coming into existence, a crossing of your wings. So nice. And then slowly let the arms come back again. Oh, they carry you. Just try, what do I have to do that they move? And when I have the star above me, I even feel its mirror picture down there. And this brings me on the heels quite normally. And I feel the space. And then I let go. I arrive at myself. And go a little bit forward. These are a pair of wings which you can, it's the back, the wings in the back, let's say, yeah? And you can attribute them to Venus a little bit if you want to. If you really open up these wings, you can try to just imagine there's somebody in front of you and allow these wings to carry you back. And just have the feeling you attract somebody. Come with me, come with me, come with me. And when you let go, go forward again. Just feel united. And breathe. Just that wings are not just angel wings, are not just anywhere. We work with them, they work in us. We attract maybe somebody through using these wings without knowing it. Yeah? So just try to experience this. Just have your hands behind. Create this mood of space behind. And when the space carries you back, why should it not bring somebody along with you? Oh, come on, so beautiful. look, and then let go. And very tender while you come backwards. You go forward again, and where you care for whom you have attracted. But you notice that this wing, for them, it's natural to go backwards. And it's not just the upper system, you feel it everywhere. This pair of wings. In the drawings, they are often drawn like this. Yeah? You have a pair here, you have a pair here, and you have a pair here. And we have just practiced these pair of wings. You have a pair of wings which is often drawn like this. And now come in front that you can make a few steps behind. And then bend your legs a little bit and have some sensations in your thighs. And feel your connection to the earth. You really let go. And then come up. And this coming up through the thighs, this expansion which takes place, really creates space, and it opens up here. And then the wings become wide, but they do not want to stop, they go backwards. And in the back, they come in again, and it naturally takes me back. And then they cross again and they connect and they let go deep into the earth. I feel the scent of the earth. I can nearly touch it. And then I let go. My thighs bring me up again. They create this fullness. The wings become able to carry me. And they bring me forward. And then they meet. And they let go again into the earth. And then you wait a little bit, you let go the energy through the thighs, through your leg system, starts to create this fullness. You go back, you feel your back, but now you connect with the center of the earth. You just let go, your wings have gone. You let go again, the energy comes back. You let go again, it carries you forwards. You let go again, you sink into the earth. You wait. You let go again, the energy comes back. You let go again and allow your wings to carry you. And you let go again to connect with the depths, to listen to the depths. You let go, the energy spreads your wings, and when you go forward, you can even notice the sort of certain freedom, left and right, comes into existence before you let go and connect with letting go. And then just come back to yourself. The pair of wings, which is often drawn like this. The wings, and these are the middle wings, the wings of the shoulder girdle, of the clavicles here. And then you have a third, a more muscle, trapezius, up there, and it's more muscle, and this has much more to do with our will system. And these wings are drawn here. But that's just their outer expression. They are spiritual wings which have to do with our will system. And now when we just have that, we have these arms up there, and we just go a little bit what we did in the beginning, but not so far behind. It's just we connect what's up there. And now don't let your upper arms just go down completely, but really start to connect with what's there, but like listening, like opening your eyes, or like saying yes to everything, and really stream down. Then it can happen that these wings invisibly come into existence. These wings we cannot do. Matter cannot feel these wings anymore, because then it's just an imitation, but not these things. They're somewhat real, we could sense them, but if we would like to try to express our highest wings physically, this couldn't be true. We really have to do it in an inner sensation. And all the time when we do something, let's just do a simple gesture, just a heart gesture. We stand here, we open up, ha. And what we did, we just leave it. And we just enter into this ha, which is around here. But we just go deeper into it, deeper into it, deeper into it. Still experience the ha. And then breathe. But the idea is that height comes about through depth. Yeah? So we can only arrive there through depth, even deeper than we had with the middle wings, which I've just practiced before. We can do another gesture. It's just I go really into the essence of the essence. Let's do a D gesture. We just open up here towards, we lift our heart to the heavens. We return to our heart forces, and then we are still connected with the heavens, and from there we connect with the depths of the earth and really want to touch it. And then we go deeper and we feel deeper, no outer movement anymore. And we feel deeper. And we feel deeper. Whatever this is. And then we return to ourselves and let go. And the interesting thing is, if we want to be true, now we cannot look, oh, is this wing there? Only the other one can see if this wing comes into existence. So you see it more at me. Do I have a sort of expression? Yeah, now something has come into existence, which sort of, I'm not ending just here and I see it, or your friends see it at you. And we're just trying. It's not necessary to reach somewhere. It's honesty. We do one more. Let perhaps an S which arrives at our body to finish with. And the S, the deepest meaning of S is, how do you want to be touched? What do you need? So have one arm out there and just describe a little S. Here. And just ask something. How do you want to be touched? What do you need? And this bring towards yourself, or just bring it down and go deeper and deeper and deeper into this. And go deeper and deeper and deeper. And let go. Breathe, and one more time with the other arm. And what do we have exactly to do? What we try to do is just to go deeper and deeper and deeper. And for this doesn't have to be good at all. You can go deeper and deeper into anything. So you just relax, do an S, whatever this is. Have a question. How do you want to be touched? What do you need? Try to experience this with your S. Arrive and go deeper and deeper and deeper into it. And just stay in going deeper, but do it so relaxed that you feel going deeper does not depress me. On the contrary. Relax, breathe, and carefully sit down. Take along what you have just been in, and listen to the resonance. How is it doing in you? How does your angel like it? To be touched like that. How's your breathing system responding to what we did? How much light, how much warmth do you feel? How are they distributed in your body? Or how do they intermingle? How do they mix?